So coming back from the test drive with the S10, it's doing really good. It seems to me it's a pretty aggressive transmission for a stage 1. Check it for leaks now and make sure she don't leak. Oh, put the new windshield wipers on. I seen there's a pair in the toolbox. We'll put the new windshield wipers on. So we'll let you take a look at the truck in the daylight here. Most tremendous thing of all, I got rid of the noise finally. So whatever went wrong with the original transmission, which I'm thinking, like I said, it was inside the case, there was damage. That's the reason it never turned out right. I built a lot of transmissions, and this is the only one that gave me this much trouble. The first one did last quite a few years, but it always made an awful sound. But now it sounds like we're driving a new truck. Not leaking, so I'm just going to put on the windshield wipers and then we'll set it outside and put the tractor back in. Thank you very much. Have a nice day from Rudy Racing.